Hey Tech Trekkers! Welcome back to Tech Trek, your hub for the coolest tech. 2024 is bringing us a fresh lineup of gadgets that you need to see. From smart home wonders to the latest wearables, we've got the must-haves of the year. Let's dive into 12 amazing new tech gadgets you can snag right now. For the drone enthusiasts out there, the DJI Avata is an absolute game changer for 2024. This first-person view drone isn't just about flying. It's about experiencing the thrill of the skies from a perspective that's nothing short of breathtaking. Equipped with a crystal-clear 4K camera and ultra-smooth stabilization, the Avata lets you capture stunning aerial footage that's cinematic in quality, whether you're soaring over vast landscapes or navigating through intricate urban environments. Its compact design makes it incredibly portable, so you can take it on all your adventures without a second thought. But don't let its size fool you. This drone is packed with advanced technology. With features like obstacle detection, you can fly confidently even in tight spaces, knowing the Avata will steer clear of hazards. And if you ever lose sight of it, the auto-return home function ensures it'll safely find its way back to you. The DJI Avata isn't just about capturing amazing footage. It's about delivering an exhilarating experience every time you take to the skies. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to dive into the world of FPV flying, this drone offers an unparalleled blend of excitement, safety, and top-tier performance. Kicking off our list is the Lenovo Smart Paper, a game-changer for note-takers and creatives alike. Imagine the joy of writing on paper, but with all the modern perks of digital convenience. That's exactly what this sleek digital notepad delivers. Its 10.3-inch e-ink display is not just easy on the eyes, but also mimics the tactile experience of traditional paper, making it a delight to write or draw on. Whether you're jotting down ideas, sketching out concepts, or just making your daily to-do list, the included stylus offers a fluid, natural writing experience that feels just right. And for those who are always on the go, the battery life won't disappoint. Unlike traditional tablets that need frequent charging, the Lenovo Smart Paper can last for weeks on a single charge, ensuring that it's always ready when inspiration strikes. It's not just a gadget, it's the perfect blend of tradition and technology, tailored for the modern world. Up next is the Samsung Galaxy Ring, a cutting-edge wearable that seamlessly blends fashion and function. This sleek, stylish ring is more than just a tech accessory. It's a personal health assistant wrapped around your finger. With advanced health tracking, sleep monitoring, and even the ability to make contactless payments, it's like having a mini smartphone in the form of elegant jewelry. Designed for round-the-clock wear, the Galaxy Ring is water-resistant. So whether you're hitting the gym, going for a swim, or just tackling your daily routine, it's the perfect companion. This tiny powerhouse is ideal for fitness enthusiasts, tech lovers, and anyone who values both style and innovation. Looking for a compact, yet powerful speaker that can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle? Meet the Sony SRS-XB100, your ultimate audio companion. Don't let its small size fool you. This portable speaker packs a punch with deep, punchy bass, thanks to Sony's extra bass technology. Whether you're at the beach, on a hike, or just chilling at home, the SRS-XB100 delivers crisp, clear sound that makes your favorite tracks come alive. But that's not all. It's built to be as tough as your adventures, with a durable, water-resistant design that can handle splashes and even a bit of rain. And with up to 16 hours of battery life, you can keep the music going all day long. Plus, its compact size and built-in strap make it easy to carry wherever you go. The Sony SRS-XB100 isn't just a speaker. It's your ticket to taking the party with you, wherever life leads. Next on the list is the Microsoft Surface Duo 3, a dual-screen smartphone that's redefining what mobile productivity can be. Imagine having the power of a laptop right in your pocket with not one, but two high-resolution displays that open up a world of possibilities. The improved hinge design makes switching between screens smoother than ever, giving you a seamless, fluid experience whether you're flipping between apps or using both screens simultaneously. Powered by a faster processor, The Surface Duo 3 is built to handle everything from intensive multitasking to immersive entertainment. Need to jot down some notes during a meeting? The device's enhanced stylus support makes it feel like writing on paper. Want to edit documents while staying on top of your emails? No problem. The dual screens let you do both with ease. And when it's time to unwind, enjoy your favorite shows on one screen while browsing social media on the other. The Surface Duo 3 isn't just a smartphone. It's a portable powerhouse that adapts to your needs, whether you're at the office, on the go, or anywhere in between. Apple has a reputation for redefining what's possible, and the Apple Vision Pro is a perfect example of that innovation. This cutting-edge mixed reality headset seamlessly blends augmented reality, AR, with virtual reality, VR, offering an experience that's both immersive and intuitive. The sleek, lightweight design ensures that you can dive into new worlds comfortably, whether you're deep into a game, powering through a work project, or simply enjoying a movie night. The Vision Pro is equipped with ultra-high-resolution displays that bring every detail to life with stunning clarity, and its spatial audio technology surrounds you with sound from every direction, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. What truly sets the Vision Pro apart is its versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of apps, from productivity tools to entertainment platforms, allowing you to tailor the experience to your needs. Whether you're exploring virtual landscapes or enhancing your real-world environment, the Apple Vision Pro opens up new dimensions in how you interact with technology. Smart home technology is advancing at lightning speed, and the Nest Learning Thermostat E+ is at the forefront of this revolution. This innovative device doesn't just set your home's temperature, it adapts to your lifestyle. Over time, it learns your daily routine, creating a personalized schedule that ensures your home is always at the perfect temperature, whether you're waking up, heading out, or winding down for the night. The E+ model takes things up a notch with enhanced integration across a wide range of smart home systems, making it more versatile than ever before. Its sleek, minimalist design effortlessly blends with any interior, adding a touch of modern sophistication to your home. But it's not just about aesthetics. This thermostat is designed to save you energy and money. By automatically adjusting the temperature when you're not around, it helps reduce your energy bills without sacrificing comfort. And the best part? You're always in control, no matter where you are. With a simple tap on your smartphone, you can adjust settings, monitor energy usage, or make sure your home is cozy by the time you walk through the door. Next on our list is the ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED, a true game-changer in the world of laptops. Imagine having a 17-inch foldable OLED display that effortlessly morphs from a laptop into a tablet. This isn't just innovation, it's versatility at its finest. Whether you're working on a big project, binge-watching your favorite series, or diving into creative endeavors, this device adapts to your needs with style. The OLED display is a visual treat, delivering stunningly vibrant colors and inky deep blacks that bring every image to life. It's like having a portable cinema and a professional-grade workstation all in one. Plus, with its cutting-edge performance under the hood, you can edit videos, multitask with demanding apps, or simply enjoy a smooth experience without any hiccups. The ASUS Zenbook 17 Fold OLED proves that you don't have to choose between power and portability. You can have both in a device that fits right in your bag. Transforming your space into a personalized oasis has never been easier than with the Gove Glide triangle light panels. These versatile LED light panels are more than just a lighting solution. They're a canvas for your creativity. With the ability to arrange them in countless patterns, you can craft a design that's as unique as your style. Whether you want a sleek, minimalist look or a bold, dynamic display, the possibilities are endless. Control is at your fingertips with the intuitive app or through your favorite voice assistant, giving you access to millions of color options. Imagine setting the mood with a gentle gradient of colors or turning your room into a vibrant light show that dances to the rhythm of your music. These panels don't just illuminate your space, they elevate it, making them a must-have for gamers, streamers, or anyone who wants to add a touch of modern flair to their environment. Beyond aesthetics, the Gove Glide triangle light panels are about creating an immersive experience. Sync them with your music, and watch as the lights pulse and flow with every beat, turning your room into a living, breathing extension of your favorite tunes. Experience the perfect blend of gaming and productivity with the Sony InZone M9 monitor. This 27-inch 4K HDR marvel isn't just a monitor. It's a powerhouse that caters to both your gaming thrills and professional needs. With its blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility, you'll enjoy ultra-smooth, tear-free gameplay that keeps you fully immersed in the action. Whether you're navigating through intense battlefields or exploring expansive open worlds, the InZone M9 ensures every frame is rendered with precision. But it's not just about gaming. The monitor's IPS display delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors and wide viewing angles, making it a fantastic choice for creative professionals. Whether you're editing photos, designing graphics, or working on complex visual projects, the InZone M9 offers the clarity and color accuracy you need to bring your ideas to life. The HDR support further enhances your visual experience, adding depth and richness to every image on the screen. Aesthetics are just as important, and the InZone M9 doesn't disappoint. Its sleek, modern design seamlessly fits into any workspace, adding a touch of sophistication to your desk setup. This monitor isn't just a tool. It's a statement piece that reflects your dedication to both high-performance gaming and professional excellence. Rounding out our list is the Lenovo Smart camera, a security device that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design. This isn't just any security camera. It's an AI-powered guardian for your home, offering peace of mind with a touch of sophistication. Capturing every detail in stunning 4K resolution, the Lenovo Smart camera ensures that nothing goes unnoticed, from the subtle movements to the bigger moments. What sets this camera apart is its advanced facial recognition technology. It's smart enough to differentiate between family members, friends, and strangers, reducing false alerts and keeping you accurately informed. You can trust that you'll be notified only when it matters most. And with night vision, the Lenovo Smart camera doesn't stop working when the sun goes down. It keeps a vigilant eye on your home 24/7, ensuring your safety day and night. And let's not forget about its design. The Lenovo Smart camera is as discreet as it is powerful, blending seamlessly with your home decor. It's a perfect example of how security can be both functional and stylish, offering a modern aesthetic that complements any living space. With the Lenovo Smart camera, you're not just investing in security. You're enhancing your home with a device that's as thoughtful as it is advanced. And there you have it, Tech Trekkers, 12 amazing new tech gadgets you can buy in 2024. From innovative wearables to cutting-edge smart home devices, this year's lineup has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Trek for more tech reviews, unboxings, and guides.